Bigger is not always better, especially when we're talking kitchens. Small kitchens are usually more efficient workspaces than large ones. Space and good design aren't exclusive to a large kitchen. All you need are some good small kitchen decorating ideas that keep your small space organized, functional and beautiful. Take a look at these 15 kitchen design ideas for small spaces. Number 1. Modern kitchen. In this New York City home, high above the city, the kitchen's lacquer cabinetry is custom made for a clean, modern aesthetic. It is echoed in style by the backsplash and countertop, made of Calicotta marble. Number 2. Paris kitchen. In a glamorous Paris apartment, the kitchen embraces a fresh vision of luxury with mod pendant lights by Tom Dixon and a custom-made, walnut veneer kitchen island and cabinetry. Number 3. Blue kitchen. In a Manhattan home, this charming blue kitchen features wood and marble cabinets commissioned by an artisan in India. The unique light fixture is by Harry Allen, and the appliances are by GE. Number 4. Blue floored kitchen. In a gorgeous Cape Cod cottage circa 1880, deep blue makes an appearance on the wood floors and door frame, evocative of the nearby sea. A vintage seas cap hangs above an antique butcher block, echoing the kitchen's ocean-inspired palette. Number 5. Weekend retreat kitchen. Amanda Seyfried's Catskills Retreat, designed by General Assembly, is a stylish and slightly quieter alternative to Hampton's living. Inside the kitchen, perfect for entertaining despite the limited square footage, the range and hood are by Wolf, the White House sink is fitted with a Calista faucet, and the backsplash is of tiles by Heath Ceramics. Number 6. White kitchen with vibrant accents. In a Brooklyn townhouse owned by wallpaper maven Kate Reynolds, the kitchen counters are Calicotta gold marble, the backsplash tile is by Waterworks, the range is by Capital. Number 7. Dark cabinetry. In Emmy Rossum's classic New York City apartment, the elongated kitchen space has a range and hood by Bertazzoni, the cabinets are by Scavolini. Number 8. City kitchen with a country feel. This New York apartment's kitchen boasts a range by Wolf, the sink and fittings are by Lefroy Brooks, the cabinetry is by Smalbin of Devices, and the Bertoia bar stool is by Knoll. Number 9. Cozy Mountaintop Kitchen. Designed by Ken Falk, this cozy Montana kitchen features range and hood by Thermador, and the custom island is made of cherry wood with an oak butcher block countertop. The stools are by Christian Liger, the backsplash tiles are by Puabic Pottery, and the pendant lights are by Niche. Number 10. Small space with statement artwork. Designer Stephen Jones and San Francisco art dealer Francis Mill turned a former warehouse space into an art-filled apartment. The kitchen is no exception. The statement wall sculpture is by Manuel Neri. The cabinetry is by Henry Built, the countertops are Pentel quartz. Number 11. A modern finish. A 1930s Connecticut weekend house gets a modern makeover. In the kitchen, the island has a top of honed Carrara marble, the wall tiles are by Waterworks, the stove is Viking, and the stools are by York Street Studio. The 19th century Windsor chair is a family heirloom, and the 1920s English pendants are from BK Antiques. Number 12. Full of antiques. A vintage French artist's table serves as the kitchen island in this Hamptons home. The stove is by Wolf, the sink and fittings are by Waterworks, and the dishwasher is by GE. The sign on the ceiling beams is original to the house. Number 13. Minimalist Yet Playful. In a minimalist New York City apartment with pops of color, a narrow kitchen features cabinetry by Belvaup, a countertop and sink by Korean, fittings by Vola, and an oven and cooktop by Gaggenau. The light fixture is by Bega, and the floor is terrazzo. Number 14. Traditional kitchen with extra shelves. In Marissa Tomei's home, the small kitchen is marked by a siren and table paired with 1940s French garden chairs. The range is by Viking, the dishwasher is by Asco and the flooring is cork. Number 15. Classic black and white flair. In a Southampton home designed by Stephen Gambro, the small kitchen is distinguished by glazed, black subway tile on the walls. The tiling on the floor is classic French and the white hood is custom made. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment if you like this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.